Did you know that by mixing herbs with different substances, you actually change the effect that the herb has on your body? For example, if you make an herbal tea and drink it hot, its effect is much more detoxifying. But when you drink a tea cold, it is much more cooling and pacifying to the body and to the mind. In Ayurvedic medicine, a carrier substance, or essentially what you mix an herb in, is called an anupana, which means vehicle. And today I'm going to teach you how to make and use an anupana in your own home that is good for strength and endurance, and helps to reduce the impact of chronic stress on the body. Anupanas help change the delivery of a particular herb or a formula so that it works on a specific tissue or channel. For example, aloe is a common anupana, and it helps herbs target the reproductive system. Anupanas also help to encourage the herbs or spices absorption deep into the cells. For example, ghee is a common anupana. It's clarified butter that we often cook with, is used to saute spices before adding them into a recipe. By doing this, you help to activate the influence of the spices and help their absorption into your digestive tract. There are many different kinds of anupanas in Ayurvedic medicine, but common ones include water, ghee, honey, aloe vera juice, or gel. Today, I want to teach you about the anupana of ghee mixed with honey. Ghee, when combined with honey, is a powerful rejuvenative that can serve as a tonic for all of the tissues in the body. It has a special affinity for the muscles and the respiratory tract. This combination brings supportive actions together. Ghee is cooling and soothing, while honey is stimulating and heating. Ghee and honey should never be used together in equal quantities by weight, so many Ayurvedic experts recommend mixing it in equal quantities by volume, such as using a half a teaspoon of each. One way to use this anupana is to make something called a soft pill. A soft pill combines powdered herbs with either honey or ghee or both, which is mixed together into a paste and rolled into small balls, or soft pills. The honey and ghee combination helps the herbs target the nervous system, muscles, and respiratory tract, thereby enhancing their rejuvenating actions. So this combination is best suited for formulas that are rejuvenative and adaptagenic. This soft pill is made with ghee, honey, ashwagandha, shatavari, and resihi mushroom. This combination with ghee and honey is adaptagenic. It is good for immunity, rejuvenation, strength, and will enhance mental concentration. This combination is good for somebody who's going through a lot of stress, who is recovering from an accident, or who has just underwent a trauma. Athletes and those who have a lot of ambition and are doing like a huge project or something, who are not able to rest or who don't let themselves rest, would also benefit from this combination, as well as those suffering from chronic fatigue or adrenal exhaustion. So to make this soft pill, mix the honey and ghee together with the herbs to form a soft paste. Then use your hands to create small balls. Each ball is about 1/4 teaspoon of your herbal combination. This can be taken each day, ideally between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. If you would like to learn more practices for rejuvenation, detoxification, and stress management, please take my free masterclass, The 5 Keys to Awaken Your Body's Natural Ability to Heal, by clicking the link either below this video or in my bio. Thank you so much for your attention today. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it and commenting below and subscribing to my channel. You can find me on YouTube and Instagram for more videos on lifestyle medicine. I hope that this information aids you on your path.